Hi guys, it's been a long time. Welcome back to Bezaleeloftech, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost Shopify sales using smart bundles. So right now, the first step which I want you to do right now is to log in into your Shopify store. So this is the Shopify store I'm using for an example, and I'm going to be showing you the app to download. So search for this app, Bundler. Can you see the app? Can you see the app? So search for this app, Bundler. Look at the logo here. Please ensure that it is this logo and download this app. So ensure it's this app. Ensure it's Bundler app with this logo here. So I've created samples and I'm going to be creating another bundle for you guys to understand and see how to create bundles. So um, let me click manage app. So look at the app. You can look at the app. So this is the app. So please ensure that it's this bundler app that you are downloading. So right now, I want us to create the bundles right now. So a client reached out to me and they requested for um, this, which I noticed the first time I implemented this, it increased sales to the client. You can see over 3,223 orders have been completed on this website. So right now, you click create bundle, you come to classic bundle. You've seen that. So you are going to see some general information, get a discount, buy this, and all that. So look at it. It's 10% discount one offer on those products on the product that we're going to be creating a bundle for. And what you just have to do in case you add new variant, you tell it to automatically add new product variant. So you click on this checkbox here. So in case you add new variant, it's going to see that you are adding the bundle. The discount applies to both products they are offering the discount for. So select product. So I copied the name of the product I want to add because it's a very long name and I don't know it offhand. So I'm going to copy this. So after copying that, I come search for that product. So this is the product here. So add. So what the client wants is to allow this product and stickers to a buyer to purchase this and stickers at a discounted price. So come here to. So have you seen that contrast? Yeah, I'm copying that. So I want to add the second product. So this is the second product which are the stickers done. So save bundles. So you can see that the bundles have been saved. So since the bundles have been saved, go to landing page URL. So look at it. So here's the bundle. Can you see that? So one thing again which you can use to know that the bundle has been created. Let me come to the spreadsheet. I think this is it. Look at the bundle and let's see if it's working. So you can see 10% has been smashed off this. So let's go here. So you can see the bundle is working. So you can see that the bundle is what's working. So don't get lost whenever you're trying to create smart sales bundles for your customer. You can watch this video, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment box for me, and ensure that you watch, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing content like this. Thank you.